add multiple lines to your Instagram bio. If you've ever tried to organize your bio with line breaks and spacing, you know it can be a bit tricky. But don't worry, I've got you covered, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on Edit Profile. Here you can see the bio section. Here you'll see the current text of your bio. To add multiple lines, simply text your bio text with line breaks. However, Instagram doesn't allow you to add line breaks directly within the app. Here's the trick. Open a Notes app or any text editor on your phone. In the Notes app, type out your bio exactly as you want it to appear on Instagram. Use the return or enter key to create new lines. Once you have your bio ready, select all of it and copy it to your clipboard. Now go back to Instagram and paste the copied text into the bio section. You should now see the line breaks exactly as you formatted them in the Notes app. Finally, tap Done or Save in the top right corner to save your changes. And there you go. Your Instagram bio now has multiple lines. And that's it. You now have a neat and organized Instagram bio with multiple lines.